We are out today on our technical support visit. The idea is simple. We move from client to client, making sure everything is working the way it should. Not only when there's a problem, but before a problem even shows up. For most businesses, when the system slows down or stops working, work is delayed, stress rises, and time gets wasted. Our job is to make sure that never becomes your situation.
That means that at that very point in time, we couldn't record whatever error has popped up. Yes, it's access because it says the server's address and the data part. And it's not here. If you need help, sir, let's let us know that. Thank you so much.
We also evaluate if an environment matches the workflow. For example, if a business is expanding and needs an upgrade in the system infrastructure, updates, better devices, whatever recommendation we have, we let them know so the operations stay smooth.
With the auto backups side, I can handle it too now. Every day backup will be classified with a date. So every day will have their own backup. Or you want it to override every time. The best is to at least have days intervals. Then to ask you yes to accept.
This is not just technical support. It's making sure your team works without frustration. Your system should enhance your workflow rather than hold you back. At the end of the day, we want you to focus on what you do best, whilst we take care of the rest. Seamless work, stable systems, less stress. That's what these support rounds are all about.